Hey everyone, Thomas here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars.com in Addison, Illinois. Today I have another 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle convertible, finished off in cranberry red, black rally stripes, as you can see. Nice, decent paint, about 10 years old on the car. And I will walk around it and start it up and show you guys a few things about this beautiful convertible. First and foremost, there is no build sheet. Not sure if it's a real SS because we don't have the build sheet, but it does have a 396 big block 6.5 liter engine that runs good, stock manifolds, and I'll continue to show you the engine compartment. The body on the car is original quarters with the GM stampings on the inside of the quarters, in which I'll show you once I do a quick walk around. As you can see, the factory dual exhaust on the car. It does have a good quality black vinyl stock convertible power top on the car. The windows on the car are lightly tinted as well, and you can see that that I demonstrated and took some photos in our website there at mgmclassiccars.com to show you. Chrome on the car is good, trim is good, grille is good, interior is good as well. Let me just show you guys. The paint shines nice chrome, the handles, stock interior as for an SS car, buckets, console, staple shifter. I put a brand new SS steering wheel on it. It's got the SS cluster gauges, as you can see, and that does look original to the car, so that tells me that it is an SS car, but at any time someone could have changed that as well. But anyway, SS door panels, nice door lips on the car. Inner and outer jambs look great on the car as well. Other side looks good too. Let me just pop the trunk. I want to show you those factory GM stampings to show you guys where those are at, and why do I say that they're original to the car. Let's see here. Okay, so nice weather stripping throughout as well. Closely here, there are some numbers stamped there, and that does tell me that this is an original quarter. And when I slide my hand underneath here and all the way down, I don't feel any overlay, so I assume, and it appears, I mean, that is an original quarter to me. Trunk is solid as well. Passenger side, same thing with the numbers that are shown there. And again, when I slide my hand underneath there, everything looks and feels to be original to the car. This is a 12 volt as well, as you can see there. Okay, dual exhaust, looks fresh. Great stance, stock stance on the car. Let's see, let's pop open the engine compartment here real quick. Stock appearance. I don't know why they put the 425 horse here. It's not 425. This is probably a 350 horse after, me driving it. Original, as you can see, manifolds on the car. This is a replacement 396 motor. I don't believe it's the original to this car. Core support is nice and clean all the way throughout. Horns are in place. I put a brand new battery on it, refurbished the alternator. I refurbished the booster and master cylinder as well. Let me fire this up. I just want you guys to hear it. It does sound stock. It is stock, that I can tell. Odometer shows 72,000 miles. Nice and easy. Engine sounds good. Power steering and front power disc brakes. Well, guys and gals, I gotta go. It was a pleasure talking to you guys about this 70 Chevelle. We're located here in Addison, Illinois. You can look us up. We do offer delivery and financing. For delivery, grab a pen. I'll give you my cell number. You can call me or text me with your zip code or any questions that you might have. For financing, go to mgmclassiccars.com right there. And on the upper right-hand corner, you can fill out a credit application. Sounds great. What a beautiful day today here in Addison, Illinois. 65 degrees and the sun's out. So for delivery, again, my phone number, you can call or text, is 847-848-1850. Again, my name is Thomas. You can reach me at 847-848-1850. I want to thank you guys for watching MGMClassicCars.com.